Guys, did you all know facial at home is so easy? I know it sounds crazy, but you know, going outside, getting facial done, it's so expensive and kitna time chala jata, you don't want all that. So I have this amazing VLCC product with me, and this is their facial kit. You can do it at home and you can do it really quickly. You can do it whenever you want to, you know, it's not very time consuming and it gives really good results. I've tried it. So guys, let's start the VLCC gold facial at home now. So guys, I'm going to show you what all you get in the VLCC gold facial kit. So the first one is the cleanser cum toner. So this is their gold facial cleanser toner. This is the first step which is written here. It's very simple, just follow these steps. So this is the first step. This is their second step. Moving on to the third one. Then the fourth one. This is the last step. So all you need to do is follow the steps, and all the instructions are written behind, and I'm going to show you how you can do this. So first let's start with the cleanser cum toner. So you have to do what you have to do is just once you wash your face, apply it on your neck and face, and you know, just massage it in circular motion. So I've washed my face already. I'm going to take this, about this much amount, and apply it on my face. So now you can just take any wet, moist cotton or tissue and remove all the dirt. Now moving on to the second step, which is the gold scrub, and apply it on your wet face and neck and leave it for 2 to 3 minutes, and then you massage it gently for 3 to 4 minutes. So I'm going to wash my face and come back because it has to be wet. So I'm going to take the gold scrub now. You all can also apply ice and then put the scrub. So I'm going to apply this and scrub your face nicely. So keep like scrubbing your face. Don't do it too much, just do it for 2 to 3 minutes. So I've scrubbed my face. I have to rinse this off. So I'm just going to do that and come back. So moving on to my third step, which is the gold gel. I'm going to apply it now. Oh, this is so nice. It smells really good. So massage it again for about 3 to 4 minutes. Just pamper yourself and give yourself a nice facial massage. So once that's done, I'm going to be moving on to my fourth step, which is the gold peel off mask. And just apply it on your face, avoiding your eyes, and then leave it for 10 to 15 minutes, and then you just wipe it with moist cotton. So guys, this is a peel off mask, but you don't really literally have to like peel it off. You have to remove it with moist cotton. So this is the mask I'm going to apply. It looks like wax, but don't freak out. So I've applied on my face. Now guys, don't peel it off, remove it with a wet cotton, and then you can just rinse it off. So this is the last final step. I'm going to be applying the gold cream now. So if you have dry skin, I would want to tell you that apply a generous amount, because after scrubbing and after peeling your skin, it will be a little dry for you all. So I'm going to be applying more product. So guys, I hope y'all can see my skin is actually glowing, all because the VLCC Gold Facial Kit. And you can get this from the Simsim app, which is an app where while watching the videos you can buy the products. I'll put the link down below. And if you have any more questions, any if you want me to try any products, let me know in the comment section below. And my personal Instagram is Leena Official, and for Foxy, it's Foxy Makeup Tips. Go follow me there, and I will see you soon, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.